Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. So in today's video, I'll showcase few of my plants that I bought in the month of November, and it is basically a plant haul which I've been longing to do for quite some time now. So in today's video, I will be showcasing only few of the foliage plants. I actually bought few Hoyas in the month of November, but I will be making a separate video, so stay tuned to watch the Hoya episode as well. And so without any further delay, let's begin the video. So this is Philodendron Jose Bruno. I bought this plant from a Facebook seller, and what attracted me most about this plant is its variegation. It's different in almost every leaf, but it's quite prominent, and what I've learned from few of the collectors of philodendron is that the variegation on Jose Bruno is quite stable, so I'm hoping that mine grows well and I'm able to make more cuttings of this plant. And yeah, looking forward to having a healthy Jose Bruno in my collection. The leaves are a little wrinkled there because it came in a box, and then the shipping took a little toll on this plant, but anyway, I'm hoping that it'll bounce back and the new leaves will be better. So yeah, this is my Jose Bruno. Next on the list is bird's nest fern, and this is one plant which has been on my wish list for quite some time, so having this plant is quite a joy for me, and the size of this plant is quite good. It's healthy, and I've learned from various collectors that it's easier to propagate this, but I haven't tried it because I just got it recently and I don't want to take the risk of breaking or killing this plant as of now, so I'll just let it be and we'll see how it goes. So hoping that this grows even more bigger in the days to come. Yeah, so that was my bird's nest fern. So next on the list is this philodendron lime fiddle. This is also another plant which has a slight variegation, a little spots of green, or you can say splashes on its leaf, and it's quite beautiful, and it's a climber, so probably in the coming months I'll be using a moss bowl for support, and we'll see how it grows. So this is my lime fiddle, and I'm very excited because the leaf structure is very exotic and very beautiful, and yeah, so let's see how it grows. This is my gorgeous lime fiddle. The last plant on this list would be this philodendron. I'm not sure about the exact idea of this plant, but it somewhat looks like Mexicanum to me. If you guys know the exact idea of this plant, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to know the exact idea of this plant. And this plant was bought by my sister from a local weekly market in Dimapur. So that was the plant haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such planty contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.